Share Patra.
Disclaimer: this document is prepared for informational and educational purposes only. All views expressed here are personal opinions and should not be considered as financial advice, investment recommendations, or trading signals. The information included may not be complete or fully up to date. Readers should conduct their own due diligence and consult a certified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. The author holds no liability for any financial loss that may result from decisions based on this summary. Did you know emus and kangaroos cannot walk backward? The Nepal Stock Exchange, NEPSE, closed at 2,749.83 points, marking a decline of 31.17 points or 1.12% compared to the previous trading session. The market remained under pressure for the entire day, with most sectors showing weakness. The sensitive index dropped by 1.05%, while the sensitive float index fell 1.12%. The banking index slipped 0.87%, and the trading index recorded a smaller decline of 0.38%. Similarly, other sub-indices, including microfinance, mutual funds, and non-life insurance, also ended in the red, losing between 0.3% and 1.4%. This broad-based fall highlighted the cautious mood prevailing among investors. Market sentiment was clearly negative. Out of all the actively traded companies, 22 stocks gained, only one stock remained unchanged, and as many as 230 stocks declined. Such a large imbalance between gainers and losers reflected heavy selling pressure and a lack of buying momentum in the market today. Trading activity amounted to a total turnover of about 6.06 billion Nepalese rupees, indicating moderate liquidity flow in the exchange. Despite the overall downtrend, a few stocks managed to stand out as strong gainers. ALBSL surged by 4.16%, MBLD advanced 3.93%, NICAD 8586 rose 3.80%, and NBF also climbed between 3.12% and 3.36%. On the other hand, some stocks suffered steep losses. PHCL and SIKLES both dropped by 4.44%, while Matri tumbled 4.23%. This divergence highlighted selective investor interest in a few counters despite overall weakness. Key corporate and financial developments added to market activity today. Bungal Hydro Limited officially opened its IPO subscription, releasing 1,701,500 units to the general public. Meanwhile, the auction for 39,451 promoter shares of Forward Microfinance Lahubita Bitiya Sanstha Limited came to a close. These events contributed to investor participation outside the secondary market and are expected to impact future liquidity and demand. In summary, the NEPSE index fell sharply by over 1%, with nearly all sectors ending in negative territory. The sentiment remained bearish as the majority of listed companies recorded declines. Although turnover was moderate, volatility was evident at the stock level, with a few select gainers and several notable losers. The launch of Bungal Hydro's IPO and the conclusion of Forward Microfinance's promoter shares auction marked important developments for market participants, balancing an otherwise weak trading day. If you found this update helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Your support helps us bring you more timely and insightful updates on the NEPSE market and financial trends in Nepal.